What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. I got out my Kyosho Fazer Mk2 2021 Tundra Toyota. Just gonna bash it real quick. Cold out here, but I want to do a quick video so we all can see her moving and grooving. Got the blue lights on it now. You might gotta lift the body up. The body is rubbing on the tires. We have a hard time turning here. This thing is breaking this down to pieces. I don't know, one side is lower than the other. Let me see if I can fix that real quick. Be right back. All right, I raised it up now, so she should be good. Yeah, I like this little truck. Right now, I'm just running on 2S. Just to give it a little try here. I need flatter ground though. This car tearing up my bottom of the chassis and the rear diffuser, so. But this was just a quick run. Let y'all see what she looked like on the road. See the lights, see the little things I did to her. In case you didn't see it. See it today, go up close. I put black decal on the running board and that black decal on the bed of the truck. That's the only thing I did besides the LED lights, which it was blue in the front and red in the back. But as always, hit that like button, hit that notification button. This is Phillyswords RC, and I'm out.